how to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can convert the USD to USDT in Bybit easily. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to change the USD to USDT, you just need to follow some steps. First of all, open your Bybit application and log in into your account. After logging into your account, you see this home page. So here you just need to tap on this more option. And after tapping on more options, scroll down until you see this buy crypto option. So just tap on buy crypto. And here tap on the arrow icon on the buy of the very box you can see. Just tap on this. And here you can tap search for USD. Just search for USD, or you may just scroll down until you find USD. And at the USD up, you can see this USDT option. Of course, we're going to change it into USDT, so we're just gonna type USDT. And after that, you just need to enter the amount, and that's how you basically convert US to USDT in Bybit easily. So therefore, by following this method, you can convert US to USDT in Bybit. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.